A new EV automaker has popped up in the stock market, and based on recent performance, we believe this stock might give fantastic returns in the weeks to come. Keep watching for the next 10 minutes or so as we take you through a complete analysis of the Vinfast stock. But before we do that, subscribe to our channel, $1 World, for regular EV stock updates. After an incredibly successful market debut where its value more than doubled, Vinfast Auto, an emerging electric vehicle startup, is now experiencing a pullback. The shares of this Vietnamese company dropped by 25% in the morning of the following day as investors are working to make sense of its true value. Vinfast, despite being a relatively small player in the electric vehicle manufacturing scene, holds grand aspirations. It entered the market by merging with a special purpose acquisition company, SPAC, called Black Spade Acquisition. This move caused its stock to skyrocket from $10 per share to a closing price of $37.06 on its debut day. By the end of that day, Vinfast was valued by the market at a staggering $85 billion. This valuation comparison is quite interesting. Ford Motor and General Motors, established giants in the industry, have market capitalizations of $48 billion and $45 billion respectively. However, there's a significant level of potential embedded in this valuation. Vinfast hasn't turned a profit yet and managed to deliver only 11,300 vehicles in the first half of that year. Furthermore, it incurred a substantial loss of $2.1 billion in the previous year, and its revenue for the first quarter dropped by 49% compared to the previous year. Given that only around 1% of the total shares are available for trading, Vinfast stock is expected to display considerable volatility as investors grapple with determining the appropriate value for the company moving forward. Looking ahead, history demonstrates that international automakers not originating for the United States often begin with entry-level vehicles and gradually progress to higher value offerings. Drawing from this precedent, if Japanese and South Korean car manufacturers achieved this transformation in the past, there's no inherent reason why a Vietnamese automaker like Vinfast can't undertake a similar journey and experience substantial growth over the years to come. The primary question for investors is how much should one be willing to invest in this potential? Even after the decline in stock value on Wednesday morning, Vinfast still boasts a market capitalization higher than that of Ford or General Motors. Considering that it took Toyota Motor many years to establish itself on an international scale, it's reasonable to expect that even amidst the disruptive shift brought about by electric vehicles, Vinfast's most optimistic growth scenario will necessitate a significant amount of time to unfold. Investors who are intrigued by the prospect of investing in this speculative growth-oriented stock should be prepared for a volatile ride and anticipate further fluctuations in the days ahead. Enjoying the video so far? Be sure to join our Discord community to connect with other like-minded investors. Let's talk about how the Vinfast stock performed in the market. On August 17, 2023, Vinfast stock experienced a notable drop, with its opening price at $26.50 reaching a high of $30.50, but subsequently hitting a low of $24.16 before closing at $30.11. The day saw a trading volume of 12.88 million shares, exceeding the daily average volume of 6.88 million shares. The stock's value has been in a decline trend following its peak of $37.06 in the last 52 weeks, marking a decrease of 19.27%. This downward trajectory can be attributed to several factors, including profit-taking activities subsequent to the stock's impressive initial public offering, apprehensions about the company's competitiveness in the global electric vehicle market, and the persisting challenges presented by the ongoing chip shortage. As for analyst sentiment, there is a balanced stance. Among analysts, 33% advocate holding the stock, another 33% recommend buying, and the remaining 33% advise selling. This mixture of perspectives indicates a level of uncertainty surrounding Vinfast's future performance. On the other hand, very recently, Vinfast Auto Ltd., the pioneering electric vehicle company, celebrated a momentous achievement as it officially commenced trading on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the stock symbol VFS. This landmark follows a successful merger with Black Spade Acquisition Co. on August 14, 2023, leading to an impressive equity valuation exceeding $23 billion. A notable highlight of this occasion was the ringing of the opening bell at Nasdaq Stock LLC, solidifying Vinfast as the largest Vietnamese entity listed on the U.S. stock market in terms of market capitalization. Now operating under the name Vinfast Auto Ltd., the company's leadership remains under the guidance of global CEO Lê Thị Thu Thuy, known as Madame Thuy Lê, who is supported by a capable, diverse, and entrepreneurial senior management team. Black Spade will continue to contribute business advisory insights and assist in direct investor engagement to foster the brand's growth. Reflecting on this significant achievement, Madame Thuy Le, Global CEO of Vinfast Auto Ltd., expressed, VinFast has spearheaded the global electric vehicle revolution by democratizing access to intelligent, secure, and eco-conscious EVs worldwide. Today's successful listing not only reinforces VinFast's dedication to sustainable global mobility, but also provides access to capital markets and crucial avenues for future advancement. Furthermore, we aspire that VinFast's listing will serve as an inspiration, fostering broader prospects for Vietnamese brands to engage on the global stage. With a delivery record of nearly 19,000 EVs, encompassing models like the VF, E34, VF5, VF8, and VF9, by June 30th, 2023, VinFast is poised to unveil the VF3, VF6, and VF7 models in both the Vietnamese and global markets. The company's trajectory involves launching next-generation EVs and solutions, bolstering its rapid expansion and international footprint. In its home country of Vietnam, VinFast has solidified its position with an expansive charging network spanning 63 cities and provinces, with plans for further expansion in the pipeline. The company's reach extends through over 122 VinFast stores globally, establishing a robust retail and service presence. Driving towards a stronger presence in the worldwide EV landscape, VinFast is fostering collaborations with distributors and dealers in key markets such as North America, Europe, Vietnam, and Southeast Asia. A pivotal development in its global journey is the groundbreaking of its new EV manufacturing facility in the United States on July 28, 2023. This milestone signifies a substantial stride towards global expansion and supply chain enhancement in North America. The bell-ringing event at NASDAQ, coupled with the listing in the world's largest capital market, signifies a monumental juncture in VinFast's global evolution. This achievement not only opens doors for VinFast's continued growth, but also sets a precedent for other Vietnamese brands to take on a more substantial role in the global economic landscape. For those of you who don't know, VinFast is a Vietnamese automaker that was established in 2017 under the umbrella of Vingroup, a conglomerate with interests spanning real estate, retail, and technology sectors. At the core of VinFast's mission is the aspiration to pioneer the future of mobility through the development of innovative and sustainable electric vehicles. With 3 production facilities already operational in Vietnam, the company has ambitious plans to construct a 4th facility in the United States. Currently, VinFast's product lineup includes 3 electric SUV models, the VF-E35, VF-E36, and VF-E34. This lineup is set to expand as the company gears up to introduce an electric sedan and an electric bus in the near future. VinFast is rapidly carving out its space on the global stage. It embarked on European sales in 2022 and is poised to enter the United States market in 2023. Impressively, the company is contemplating further expansion into markets like China and Southeast Asia. Despite being relatively young, VinFast's presence in the global electric vehicle market has already been impactful, driven by factors such as robust financial backing, innovative product offerings, and an assertive approach to expansion. Notably, VinFast holds the distinction of being the first Vietnamese car brand to venture into global markets and to specialize in the production of electric vehicles, encompassing electric cars and electric scooters alike. Bolstered by Vingroup, a significant player in Vietnam's private sector, VinFast places a strong emphasis on fostering innovation and sustainability in its endeavors. The company is committed to making electric vehicles accessible and affordable, and its formidable expansion plans underscore its determination to establish a noteworthy global presence. As a promising contender in the burgeoning global electric vehicle landscape, VinFast warrants close attention for its potential to leave a lasting impact on the industry. Remember that this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research and make informed investment decisions. That was all for today. Let us know if you think this stock will make you rich or not in the comments section. Hit like and subscribe to our channel $1 World for more such penny stock videos, and we will see you in the next one.